Hello, my friend. I'm David. Today, as we practice English together, let's explore a valuable life lesson that can quietly change your future. Invest in yourself. Many people think about investing money in stocks, houses, or businesses, but the best investment is often forgotten. It is you. When you invest in yourself, no one can take it away from you. Skills, knowledge, health, and mindset stay with you for life. 1. Understand what invest in yourself really means. Investing in yourself does not always mean spending a lot of money. It means using your time, energy, and attention to become better than yesterday. For example, reading a book instead of scrolling on your phone. Practicing English every day, even for 15 minutes. Learning how to control your emotions and thoughts. These small actions may look simple, but over time, they create big changes. 2. Invest in your mind. Your mind is like a garden. If you plant good seeds, good things will grow. You can invest in your mind by reading books that teach you something new, listening to podcasts or videos that inspire you, learning new skills like English, communication, or problem solving. When you learn, you become more confident. When you are confident, you see more opportunities. And when you see opportunities, your life slowly changes. Remember, people can lose money, but they never lose knowledge. 3. Invest in your body. Your body is the place where you live every day. If your body is tired, your dreams feel heavy. Investing in your body does not mean going to an expensive gym. It means sleeping enough, eating better food, drinking more water, moving your body, even by walking 20 minutes a day. A healthy body gives you more energy. More energy helps you learn better, work better, and feel better. 4. Invest in your habits. Your life today is the result of your habits yesterday. Small habits decide big futures. Waking up a little earlier. Writing down your goals. Practicing English every day, even when you don't feel like it. Bad habits slowly destroy your future. Good habits quietly build it. Choose habits that help the future version of you. 5. Invest in your mindset. Many people fail not because they are not smart, but because they give up too early. Investing in your mindset means learning to be patient, accepting mistakes as lessons, believing that you can improve. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to keep going. When life is hard, don't ask, "Why is this happening to me?" Ask, "What can this teach me?" That simple change in thinking is a powerful investment. 6. Invest in your time wisely. Time is your most valuable resource. Once it is gone, it never comes back. Ask yourself, where is my time going every day? Is this helping my future or hurting it? Watching one more video may feel good now, but learning one new word may help you for years. Choose long-term growth over short-term comfort. 7. Be patient with results. Investing in yourself is not fast. You may not see results in 1 week or 1 month, but one day you will look back and say, "I'm glad I didn't give up." Growth is quiet. Progress is slow, but it is real. Trust the process. In the end, remember this. When you invest in yourself, you are saying, I believe in my future. And that belief can change everything. Thank you for listening, my friend. If you enjoyed this message, please like, subscribe, and stay with us for more English motivation every day.